So now let's see how we can work around with Track Matte key and Ultra key inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So for that, I'm going to go to FX right here, and under the keying section, you can see that Ultra key is an option. Let me just go around and drag out the Ultra key on this particular footage right here. In that case, what happens is that nothing is there right now. So let me just go around and choose, let's say, green right here. I just took a sample, and now you can see that it keys out that right here. You can go around and change around the transparency level, as you can see, and you can soften things out, and you can change around the contrast over here as well, and change around the tolerance right here, just like this. So you can go around, change around the tolerance, you can change around the shadow levels, as you can see right here, and get the result you want. And then that is what you have, as you can see right here. You can also change around the hue right here with the color correction, as you can see right here, and change around the luminance, as you can see right here, just like this. There's some settings right here, so you can go for aggressive or for relaxed, or you can go for default, as you can see right here. Now let me just go around onto custom right here and change around the pedestal so that the green screen is removed. The output can only be the alpha channel, and you can see how that looks, and it can be the color channel only as well. But this is what we usually use it for, the composite right here. So this is the Ultra key right here. It works around just like other keys. Let me just go around and delete this out right here and bring in, let's say, for example, this particular footage. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Track Matte key. So for that, I'm going to go around and apply out a new title right here. It can be anything. It can be a Photoshop shape or a title, anything. So I'm just going to go around and type it out as T2 right here. Let me just select it out all right here and bold it out over here and increase out the size as well, just like this. So once that is done, I'm just going to go around and change around, let's say, the font size right here, and change around the size over here. So let's just go around over here, change around the size just like this as well, and drag around the mouse right here and keep this in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a shape over here just like this as well. So add in this shape right here and add in this shape, as you can see, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here under FX right here and apply the Track Matte key over here on this particular footage. Once I do that, what I need to do is select the matte layer. This is video layer 2 in my case. So I'm just going to select this and select video 2, and now you can see that wherever there's text and shape, you can see that the video footage is in right there, and that is the Track Matte right here. So it's right now compositing using the Track Alpha. You can also use Track Luma for it. That means, let me just go around on this particular title right here. So if I were to go around and select out this particular shape right here and make it gray, let's say, for example, right here. So let me just go around over here and let me make it gray over here. Then once I do that, what happens is that I can go around over here and then back onto my place. And what happens is that if I were to go around and select this, go to FX right here and select out this particular footage, then what I can do is I can go around, go for Track Alpha, which makes the transparency quite opaque right here. But if I go for Luma, wherever there is gray, it becomes semi-transparent right here. So if I were to go around over here just like this, then that is how it works. So let's just go around and pull that up and select out video 3, and this is the result that you have. So if I were to go around and bring in any other footage right here at the bottom, you can see that it is more transparent over there, just like that as well. But if I were to go for alpha, it is not transparent because it is pulling out all of the alpha channel, and you can reverse it out over here just like this as well, and you can see the video right inside over here just like this. So that is how you can work around with the Track Matte key and Ultra key effects inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.